talking for like, don't even got to get into that.
It's your man, Mr. 1-3. You see it. We back here, man, with a little chicken Alfredo, best homemade Alfredo. Croissants, cheesy croissants at that. You see? But before we get off into that, man, we're going to bow our head and say this little prayer, man. All that to say, man, we praying, man, for peace in the country, man.
Facts.
Too many kids dying, man. Look, put a little Parmesan cheese on that there Alfredo. Yeah, definitely. Ah, yeah. All right. That's attack. Know how it go. Mm-hmm. Y'all see that steam? Y'all see it? Smoking. Hot. So how everybody doing out there today, man?
What you been up to?
Yeah. What y'all been up to since we been gone, man? We ain't been gone, we been playing softball, man. We been quietly entertained.
Had to take a quick intermission.
Yes, very quick intermission. Quietly entertained, man. We got an MVP race going on in the team, man. You know? The hat getting full of names now. You know? I tell you, man.
Everybody gonna say they gonna win it, but if we being realistic, it's me. Ain't nobody just gonna say, oh yeah, he gonna win it. Nah, they gonna say, I'm gonna win it. Everybody gonna call themselves out for the MVP.
You must want to guess view or something. You want me to walk in the video? Keep talking.
Man. But the reigning MVP is gone. He ain't here.
You think he finna come back and do it again? Nah, that's
See?
over with. That's over with.
So, I don't know what to tell you.
That MVP spot taking his name not even in there.
Mm-hmm.
We can have a special guest in the video.
Mm-hmm.
We could get an MIP to Deli Pickett though, the most improved.
Deli Pickett, most improved.
We could get that some though.
You say what?
Man.
Excuse me over there?
We could get him most improved.
You most improved. I'm the player. MVP.
No. I got most improved a year ago. Next is
Yeah,
MVP.
too bad you finna get it again.
Psych. It's MVP.
See, that's an in-house battle. Think about the rest of the team.
Like 12 different people going at it over MVP.
I'm in a race by myself.
If we being honest though,
Please be honest.
I say it's only at least 3 or 4 people that's in that race.
What's the 3 or 4?
Not even 4. 2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Even half a person in it. What's the 2? What's the 2 then?
Well, obviously me. just know he's staring me. I think.
Spit it out.
The second person is. It's either.
Oh, it's either.
Yeah, it's either.
Definitely drunk.
It's either Deli Pickett or Mike.
But you had a bad day though.
Everybody had one of those.
I know. So
You got to think about it. The day when you had your good day, I was hitting the same percent.
Your bad day came before mine.
And then when you just had your bad day, I just took off. It's not even, I'm in a race by myself.
That's cap.
I was just gonna sit down.
Man, this is a old MVP to a soon to be new MVP conversation. Yeah, when I retire.
so in other words, he's trying to tell you
When I retire, he got it.
most improve your way out.
Yeah.
It's crazy because I might get most improved and MVP.
We know you're gonna get most improved, but
Might take both.
MVP though?
Mm.
You talking crazy. Let's see if your game matches.
I'm gonna show you ain't gotta worry about it. Now see this man, he wanna just be like me so bad. But he knows most of the time I start the fight and he brings the rest.
So what you saying? Cause he back where he at?
Huh?
You saying cause he back where he at?
No, see, it's not saying it like that. I'm saying since I'm up there, I start the file. Then when it gets to him, he brings the rest of it.
He had about 7 to 8 RBIs though yesterday.
Yeah. But games before that, I had like 3 runs for myself and 4 RBIs.
Yeah. You and him.
Man, like I was saying, it don't matter how fast you come back, Hulk come back, he's not getting it. Because
They have him for a reason.
you can get MIP too.
Ain't one that.
Now see, I'm starting to run low. Man,
Yeah, we got a battle of the kids, man. They doing their thing. I'm sitting back and enjoying it.
and the fun thing about being on the team when you're not a rookie, you get to do what they tried to do to you when you was a rookie. Hey, rookie, go give me a pop. Have rookie all day. Rookies is the best part. So, hey, rookie, we got a flag boy too. Put them boys to work. Yeah, that's why I love rookies.
Some of our new deal right here. You see it? Never say die.
But
Like we told y'all once before, it ain't over till we say it, so
facts. Nah, I'm playing.
Yeah, y'all thought we was playing.
No, this is.
It ain't over till the team says it's over.
Man. I'm trying to slow down. I'm running out. I'm running out.
No matter how many we down, we gonna come back.
Comeback cues.
That fight, man, the determination. We got a plateau we trying to get to. National champs. Yeah.
Don't they got the MVP?
We
for
get
that
all
too?
that. What could you ask for?
Don't they got the MVP for that too?
You got the MVP for all that.
Yeah, I think they got my name on it too.
Huh. Oh, I continue to be worth the fight. And the killing part, we the only team get checks back at the end. Huh. Man.
At the end of the day, you still get paid.
Y'all see my little cup. Rolling with the Illinois fam cup. Yup, you got it.
But y'all know. Y'all know it's about that time. Like,
Yup.
comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. And you know, rolling with the other fam. Chucking them deuces.